Hello, everybody. Sounds like you've all been doing great during this quarantine, and I think it's time to celebrate with frozen lemonade quarantinis. Are you in? All right, so since we are under quarantine and we're not really supposed to be going to the stores and all that, we need to use what we have on hand. For this recipe, we're gonna make a beautiful lemon simple syrup, and then we're gonna blend that up with ice and your favorite booze. Remember, this is a quarantini cocktail, so any booze counts. Okay, let's say you've run out of fresh lemons. I only have one today, which I'm gonna use the zest from. You've run out, don't worry, you can use any kind of bottled lemon juice you have on hand. Not necessarily the best choice, but sometimes it's the only choice. All right, you ready to get started? I found these awesome vintage glasses that we're gonna enjoy our cocktails in today. I have so much vintage stuff in my prop room, and they're little treasures. First, we're going to make a lemon simple syrup. All you need for that is a half a cup of lemon juice and a half a cup of sugar. Get ready to serve these up. Okay, you guys ready for a virtual happy hour? Here we go. Cheers. Oh my gosh, that's a grown-up icy. It's so good. All right, guys, cheers to the weekend. Wait, is every day the weekend these days?
Every day is Sunday.
It's Sunday.
Salud.
That's some grown-up lemonade. Lots of tequila. So you guys can use any alcohol you have on hand. I love tequila, so I put that in my quarantine. But go with the traditional vodka, gin, anything. Mix it. Do what you want. Bottom line, these are grown-up lemonades, and they are so damn good.